three sum. Given an integer array, nums return all the triplets, numbers of index at the value of the nums array at the I index and the j index and the k index, and that their indices are not equal each other, and their sum, the value of those indexes should sum up to 0. Okay, so we need to return every possible triplets. Okay, so we can use three loops by using for loops or whatever it is, and then we can use 3 loops, and then we can get the solution in the simple way. The way I'm gonna do is with the order of n squared. How I'm gonna do that? Okay, so the first time is I will look for the first elements, and then inner loops is gonna be for the remaining 2 elements. So the way I'm gonna do for the remaining part, I will use a 2-pointer approach. If it is sorted, we will have the 2-sum problem, right? If there's simple 2-sum problem, we can use 2 for loops, and then it is not optimized. So we can do another way. We will sort the input array, and then we will use a 2-pointer approach. So it's gonna be order of n log n. So we can still reduce that time complexity, and then we can use the hash map for that 2-sum problem to get the optimized order of n. And the 2-sum, the problem number 2 is if it is already sorted, we can use a 2-pointer approach, right? So we can solve that one by only the order of n, because we don't have to sort, because the input array is already sorted, so we don't have to do sorting. So it's gonna be order of n. So the 2-pointer approach can give us the 2-sum approach too, right? 2-sum problem number 2. I think we should try those problems first, then the 3-sum is gonna be easy. So the first loop is just for this side, and then the second loop is for the remaining 2 elements. Okay, if we want to, this target is 0. So for this target, it's gonna be 0 minus numbers of I. For example, if the numbers of I is -4, if the nums I is -4, there's the remaining part, the sum of the remaining part should be 4. So we will plus -4 and 4, and then we got 0, what we want. So we will add to our result. Okay, let's do this. For the first time, we need to sort, right, nums, because I'm going to use a 2-pointer approach for the remaining parts, and then var result equal new list. Okay, integer. Okay, let's start looping. Integer I equals 0 and I less than numbers dot I'm sorry, gth length -2, because right, we don't have to loop everything. It's okay. And then I plus plus, because if there's 3, we'll take this one and then this one, right? Okay, if I not equal 0, and then numbers of I -1, because we don't want to get any index out of bound exception. So that's why we check if the I not equal 0, and if I previous value equal the current values, we will continue. We're not doing anything, right, for the first time. Okay, we will use the 2-pointer approach. Let's do this. For or integer, it's okay. Integer left pointer is gonna be I plus 1, right? And then right pointer is gonna be numbers of length -1, right? Left and right, and then we got a new target, right? It's gonna be 0 minus numbers, the value of the numbers array at the I index. Okay, and then I will use a 2-pointer approach. Left greater left than right, we will keep looking for. current sum is gonna be the sum of the left pointers and then right pointers values, and then if their current sum is equal to the target, new target we want, okay, we got what we want, but we cannot stop. So we will add to our result.add, right? New list of the integer, and then we need to give of the outer values, and then this remaining value, left side, left pointers values, and then right pointer, okay? And then we got what we want, and then we will move to the right side by moving the left pointer. But at the time, if they are the same, we need to code that again, and numbers at the left minus one, previous one, equal to the left, okay. Oh, at the time, left plus plus, right? If they are not equal, and then the current sum is greater than target, at the time we need to get a small sum, right? So we will move the right pointer to the left side so we can get a smaller sum because it's already sorted, right? Else, if we need the greater sum, we will move the left pointer to the right side, and then we got what we want, I think. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, cool. I'm gonna submit this one. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.